Okay guys, so a quick little experiment today. We're going to see how much money we can actually make from big tokens. So let's actually go ahead, jump right into it, and yeah, let's go. Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for me. Thank you guys so very much, really appreciate it. We're on our way to 1,000 subs. Now with that being said, let's jump straight into today's video. Let's go. Also guys, if you don't know what Big Token is, it's basically a survey site and it's very simple. All you have to do is literally answer questions like this. Take a look at that, boom, there we go. That's literally how easy it is, just yes or no, and then you get some points. And as you guys can see, our balance is going up. So yeah guys, that is Big Token. Go ahead, check the description for a link. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump straight into this challenge. Let's go. So as you guys can see, we just created a brand new account on Big Token for a random phone farm that we got from, you know, the phone farm. Now we started off with 20 cents so far for signing up and basically just adding in our basic info. Now we're gonna spend about an hour trying to actually make some money with Big Token, and we're gonna see how much we can actually pull off, or basically once we run out of questions. With that being said, right now as you guys can see, it is currently 10:44, about to be 10:45, and we're going to go ahead and actually try to spend 1 hour earning as much as we can, or until we run out of questions. So that's what's happening today guys. Let's get right into it. So right now guys, we have $4.76, and I did pause the timer. Yes, we have used up 25% of our 1 hour. And yes guys, they do reload questions just maybe every other day, so for now all the questions have been answered. So we spent around 15 minutes and we got $4.76 USD, that is. However guys, we can only cash out 50% of it, so we're really looking at $2.38. So as you guys can see, if we go ahead and actually take that pay of the amount that we can actually cash out, multiply it by 4, which should give you close to $10 an hour. So if this app actually pays, I'll go ahead and actually give you guys an update once we're able to get paid in 14 days. Then this is pretty much a minimum wage job, so for any of you guys who can't, you know, get a job just quite yet, maybe you want to look into getting Big Token, because if you do like 15 minutes each day, that's not too much, and you know, you can pull off some income, I guess. So yeah guys, that is basically Big Token. If you guys want to go ahead and check it out, link is in the description as always. I'll make sure to update you guys if we do get paid or if we don't get paid. Same thing, I'll update you guys either way. Also, before you go ahead and actually join the Discord server, because we actually have a few people in there so far. We're trying to build a community around it, and basically guys, we're just bouncing ideas off each other. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you go ahead and join our Discord server. If you've already done so, thank you so very much. Click the video on screen right now and it will show you guys even more ways of making money online. I'll see you guys over there. Until then, thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now.